हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं अंजलि पटेल एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एजुकेशनल एंड मोटिवेशनल हब। फ्रेंड्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ईएसआईसी एंड एम्स नॉसेट 2021। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम 300 क्वेश्चन रिवीजन करने वाले हैं पीडियाट्रिक नर्सिंग से, चाइल्ड हेल्थ नर्सिंग से इंपॉर्टेंट जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर में आए हुए एमसीक्यू हैं। सारे ही बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू हैं जो कि आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब के प्रिपरेशन के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। जो भी मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें, बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आपको वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। ये वीडियो लंबी होने वाली है लेकिन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपके पूरे चाइल्ड हेल्थ नर्सिंग के सारे टॉपिक्स को रिवीजन करने के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। एमसीक्यू फर्स्ट, द मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पीडियाट्रिक मीन्स ऑप्शंस शॉर्ट टर्म केयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड, बेसिक केयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड, continuous and preventive care of the whole child, terminally ill care of the child. Answer is continuous and preventive care of whole child. Second, what is the best and most accurate method of measuring the medication dose of infant and children? Options: weight, height, nomogram, weight and height. Answer is weight. Third, at what age does a child normally develop social smile milestone? Options: 12 week, 4 week, 16 week, 8 week. Answer is 8 week. Approximate 2 month में जो बेबी है वो सोशल स्माइल करना स्टार्ट कर देता है टूवर्ड्स अपने मदर, टूवर्ड्स केयर गिवर एंड टूवर्ड्स द फैमिली मेंबर्स. Fourth, brain growth is at its maximum during options: first trimester of pregnancy, infancy, toddler, school going. Answer is infancy. Fifth, crowning of an infant occur at options: 8 to 9 month, 2 to 3 month, 4 to 5 month, 6 to 8 month. Answer is 8 to 9 month. Sixth, anterior fontanelles is closed at options: less than 3 months, 12 months, 12 to 18 months, more than 3 years. Answer is 12 to 18 months. Seventh, a child like to look at self in a mirror at the age of dash months. Options: 1 month, 2 months, 4 months, 6 months. Answer is 6 months. Eighth, taste perception of a baby develops at options: birth, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Answer is birth. टेस्ट परसेप्शन जो है बेबी में बर्थ से ही प्रेजेंट रहता है. Ninth, a newborn baby with the head circumference of 35 cm will be having an optimal head circumference of 45 cm will be at dash age. Options: 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, 12 months. Answer is 8 months. 10th, a 3-year-old child is said to have delayed milestone if he fails to. Options: use spoon, draw a square, skip, climb with alternating foot downwards in the steps. Answer is use spoon. बाकी सारे माइलस्टोन जो है वो 4 ईयर में कंप्लीट होते हैं. यूज स्पून जो है 18 मंथ्स से स्टार्ट कर देता है बेबी. तो अगर 3 ईयर्स तक का वो नहीं कर पा रहा है तो उस कंडीशन में फेल्स होगा या डिलेड माइलस्टोन होगा. 11th, एक्सपेक्टेड वेट ऑफ 1 year old child when the birth weight is 3.5 kg. Options: 7 kg, 6 kg, 9.5 kg, 10.5 kg. Answer is 10.5 kg. बेबी का वेट जो है अपने बर्थ वेट से 2 गुना 5 मंथ में हो जाता है और बेबी का वेट अपने बर्थ वेट से 3 गुना 1 ईयर में हो जाता है. 12th, फर्स्ट अपेयरिंग टीथ इन अ चाइल्ड इज ऑप्शंस: प्रीमोलर, इंसाइजर, केनाइन, थर्ड मोलर. आंसर इज इंसाइजर. 13, which of the following is not true regarding the birth weight of newborn. Options: birth weight less than 5% of normal on the day of birth, require further investigation. Typical birth weight of newborn is between 2.7 kg and 4.0 kg. Newborn lost 10% of their birth weight by 3 to 4 days of age. Newborn gain the lost birth weight by 10th day of life. Answer is birth weight less than 5% of normal on the day of birth, require further investigation. 14. In a healthy child, the head and chest circumference equal each other around the age of. Options: 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 months, 15 to 18 months. Answer is 9 to 12 months. मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 ईयर में जो है बेबी का चेस्ट और हेड सर्कमफरेंस इक्वल हो जाता है. 15. When assessing physical development of 5-year-old, you would find it abnormal if he. Options: needed to go up a stairway one step at a time, could catch a large rubber ball, could stake up pile of 6 blocks, could jump on one foot a few times. Answer is needed to go up a stairway one step at a time. 16. Normal head circumference of a newborn is. Options: 30 to 32 cm, 35 to 37 cm, 31 to 33 cm, 33 to 35 cm. Answer is 33 to 35 cm. 17. Maximum absolute growth is seen at. Options: 0 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 14 to 16 years. Answer is 14 to 16 years. अगर हम एब्सोल्यूट ग्रोथ की बात करते हैं तो मैक्सिमम ग्रोथ जो है गर्ल्स में 10 इयर्स या 8 टू 13 इयर्स में होता है और बॉयज में 12 इयर्स या 10 टू 15 इयर्स में होता है, इसलिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली 14 टू 16 इयर्स को लिया जाता है. 18. All of the following information are sought in the well baby clinic except. Options: schooling, breastfeeding, sleep pattern, child growth and development. Answer is schooling. 19. Normal mid upper arm circumference at birth is about. Options: 6 to 8 cm, 9 to 11 cm, 12 to 14 cm, 14 to 16 cm. Answer is 9 to 11 cm. 20. Follow-up care is required for the newborn with. Options: Mongolian spot are present, head circumference 39 cm, milia is present, umbilical cord has 2 artery and 1 vein. Answer is head circumference 39 cm. बिकॉज जो नॉर्मल हेड सर्कमफरेंस है वो 33 टू 35 सेंटीमीटर होता है और इसमें हेड सर्कमफरेंस बढ़ा हुआ है जो कि फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हमें ज़रूरी होता है फॉलोअप केयर, क्योंकि हेड सर्कमफरेंस अगर ज़्यादा है तो हाइड्रोसेफेलस हो सकता है. MCQ फर्स्ट. द प्राइमरी प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट इंक्लूड्स ऑल एक्सेप्ट. ऑप्शंस: ग्रोथ इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, it follow the same pattern in all human beings, growth and development go hand in hand, developments occur in a pseudocephalic fashion. Answer is development occurs in a pseudocephalic fashion. Second, according to Erikson psychosocial theory, what is the developmental task of a toddler? Options: autonomy versus shame and doubt, trust versus mistrust, industry versus inferiority, initiative versus guilt. Answer is autonomy versus shame and doubt. Third, as per Erik Erikson stage of development, child take decision at the age of. Options: 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 9 years. Answer is 3 years. Fourth, When considering the principle of growth and development, remember that options. Although development occur in an orderly sequence, the rate may vary between individuals. Most children can run before they walk. Development occur evenly with period of no growth occurring every third year. All children should grow in the same rate. All 4-year-old should weight within 4 kg of each other. Answer is, although development occur in a orderly sequence, the rate may vary between individuals. Fifth, in the stage of growth and development, the infancy extends from options birth to 4 week, birth to 1 year, 4 week to 1 year, 1 to 3 year. Answer is 4 week to 1 year. Sixth, the parents of a child aged 6 year who will be in school ask the nurse for anticipatory guideline. The nurse should explain that a child of this age options still depends on the parents, rebels against scheduled activities, is highly sensitive to criticism, loves to battle. Answer is highly sensitive to criticism. 7. To encourage an infant's cognitive and psychosocial development, parents and other caregivers should options allow the baby to play alone several hours each day, firmly explain the rules of acceptable behavior, give loving consistent care including playing, keep the baby with them at all time so he or she is safe. Answer is give loving consistent care including playing. 8th, WHO defines adolescents age group between options 10 to 19 years, 9 to 14 years, 10 to 25 years, 10 to 14 years. Answer is 10 to 19 years. 9th, the primary psychosocial task during adolescence is to establish options identity, intimacy, autonomy, none of the above. Answer is identity. 10th, all are the characteristics of term baby except options well curved pinna reaching up to the periphery, no deep creases in the sole, pigmented and pendulous scrotal sac, silky hair, individual hair strands can be made out. Answer is no deep creases in the sole. 11th, Babinski sign is considered as normal in options newborn, adolescents, youth, older adults. Answer is newborn. 12th, what is the most common complication for which a nurse must monitor preterm infant? Options hemorrhage, brain damage, respiratory distress, aspiration of mucus. Answer is respiratory distress. 13. The Apgar score should be assessed. Options immediately after birth and at 30 minutes after birth, at 5 minutes after birth and at 30 minutes after birth, at 1 minute after birth and at 5 minutes after birth, immediately after birth and at 5 minutes after birth. Answer is at 1 minute after birth and at 5 minutes after birth. 14. What is nurse primary critical observation when performing an assessment for determining an Apgar score? Options heart rate, respiratory rate, presence of meconium, evaluation of Moro reflex. Answer is heart rate. 15. Which of the following is not a component of Apgar score? Options color of the baby, muscle tone, heart rate per minute, respiration rate per minute. Answer is respiration rate per minute. 16. The normal axillary temperature of newborn is between which of the following range? Options: 40 to 42 degrees Celsius, 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, 32.4 to 34 degrees Celsius, 36.5 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. Answer is 36.5 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. 17. Which of the following is not a nursing intervention to maintain the temperature of a newborn? Options: dry the newborn immediately after birth, wrap the newborn in warmed blanket, use a warmed cloth for weighing the unclothed newborn, place the newborn near draught or air vent. Answer is place the newborn near draught or air vent. 18. Newborn reflex which are present at birth and remain unchanged throughout adulthood. Options: blinking, coughing, rooting, and gag reflex. Blinking, coughing, sneezing, and gag reflex. Rooting, sneezing, swallowing, and coughing. Stepping, blinking, coughing, and sneezing. Answer is blinking, coughing, sneezing, and gag reflex. 19. Among the following, identify the feature that is not expected in a full-term newborn baby. Options: breast buds of 3 to 5 mm, well-pigmented pendulous scrotum, well-developed pinna, angle of the wrist and forearm of 90 degree. Answer is angle of wrist and forearm 90 degree. 20. Which of the following is not a common problem of infants born to diabetic mother? Options: hyperglycemia, hypocalcemia, polycythemia, microsomia. Answer is hyperglycemia. First, the ratio of lung inflation to chest compression in cardiopulmonary resuscitation is: options 1:5, 2:5, 1:3, 3:1. Answer is 1:3. Second, what is the ideal temperature of the newborn resuscitation room? Options: 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Answer is 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Third, when caring for an infant during cardiac arrest, which pulse must be palpated to determine cardiac function? Options: carotid, brachial, pedal, radial. Answer is brachial. Fourth, bag and mask ventilation is contraindication in newborn resuscitation with clinical suspicion of: options: diaphragmatic hernia, intestinal hemorrhage, born to diabetic mother, pneumothorax. Answer is diaphragmatic hernia. Fifth, during neonatal resuscitation, what is the order of clearance of secretion? Options: mouth first followed by nasal cavity followed by mouth, pharynx followed by mouth, none of above. Answer is mouth first followed by nasal cavity. Sixth, which is the ideal route for administration of drug during newborn resuscitation? Options: endotracheal, umbilical artery, umbilical vein, intraosseous. Answer is umbilical vein. 7. What should be the size of the endotracheal tube for a newborn weighing 2000 to 3000 grams? Options: 4.0, 3.0, 2.5, 3.5. Answer is 3.5. 8th, expanded form of TABC used in neonatal resuscitation is: options: thermometer, airway, breathing, circulation. Temperature, atmosphere, breathing, compression. Temperament, airway, breathing, circulation. Temperature, airway, breathing, circulation. Answer is temperature, airway, breathing, circulation. Ninth, an infant is born precipitously outside the labor room. What should the nurse do first? Options: tie and cut the umbilical cord, establish an airway for the newborn, ascertain the condition of the uterine fundus, arrange transport for mother and infant to the breathing unit. Answer is establish an airway for the newborn. 10th, the premature closure of the sagittal suture is called. Options: scaphocephaly, oxycephaly, acrocephaly, anencephaly. Answer is scaphocephaly. 11th, sunset sign is seen in the following condition. Options: pyloric stenosis, hydrocephalus, tetralogy of Fallot, seizure. Answer is hydrocephalus. 12th, according to WHO, low birth weight means a weight of less than options: 2.8 kg, 2.7 kg, 2.5 kg, 2.3 kg. Answer is 2.5 kg. 13. A nurse would expect to find in a newborn with birth asphyxia. Options: hyperoxia, acidosis, hypocapnia, ketosis. Answer is acidosis. 14. Which of the following injection is routinely administered to a newborn to prevent bleeding? Options: injection vitamin K, soda bicarbonate, calcium gluconate, methyl ergometrine. Answer is injection vitamin K. 15. Drug used for closing patent ductus arteriosus in a newborn is. Options: paracetamol, ibuprofen, mefenamic acid, prostaglandin. Answer is ibuprofen. ibuprofen एंड इंडोमेथाजिन दो ड्रग्स हैं जो कि क्लोजर ऑफ पेटेंट डक्टस आर्टेरियोसिस के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. 16. Which of the following is not true regarding meconium aspiration syndrome? Options: it is common cause of respiratory distress. It occur when a newborn inhaled particulate meconium mixed with amniotic fluid in utero. It does not progress to persistent pulmonary hypertension in severe case. Chest X-ray saw faulty infiltrates with area of atelectasis. Answer is it does not progress to persistent pulmonary hypertension in severe case. 17. Total lung capacity in newborn is. Options: 100 ml, 350 ml, 500 ml, 150 ml. Answer is 150 ml. इन्फेंट में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 50 ml पर kg जो है लंग कैपेसिटी होती है. उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक नॉर्मल जो बेबी होता है उसका वेट 3 kg होता है, इसलिए 150 ml जो नॉर्मल अप्रॉक्सीमेटली नॉर्मल लंग कैपेसिटी लिया जाता है. 18. Hypothermia in neonate is characterized by all of the following except. Options: hyperactivity, respiratory distress, apnea, trachypnea. Answer is hyperactivity. 19. The nurse explained to the mother of a neonate diagnosed with erythroblastosis fetalis that the exchange transfusion is necessary to prevent damage to. Options: liver, lungs, kidneys, brain. Answer is brain. 20. Amount of blood used for exchange transfusion in neonate is. Options: 50 ml per kg body weight, 65 ml per kg body weight, 80 ml per kg body weight, 100 ml per kg body weight. Answer is 80 ml per kg body weight. MCQ first. Adequate breastfeeding in baby indicates. Options: baby sleep 2 hours after feed, does not cry frequently, urine 5 to 7 times per day, stool 4 times per day. Answer is baby sleep 2 hours after feed. Second, ultimate aim of baby friendly hospital initiative was to promote options: immunization, hospital deliveries, breastfeeding, family planning. Answer is breastfeeding. Third, baby friendly hospital initiative BFHI was launched by WHO in the year of options: 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993. Answer is 1991. Fourth, what is correct about breast milk? Options: hind milk is rich in proteins, fat in breast milk is rich in iron, cholesterol must be discarded, feeding in supine position increase risk of otitis media. Answer is feeding in supine position increase risk of otitis media. Fifth, immunoglobulin present in breast milk is options: IgA, IgG, IgD, IgM. Answer is IgA. Sixth, expressed breast milk can be stored at room temperature for how many hours? Options: 4, 8, 16, 24. Answer is 4. 7. The major cause for childhood illness is options: malnutrition, accident, infestation, infection. Answer is malnutrition. 8. Edema is a sign in which of the following nutritional disorder? Options: kwashiorkor, marasmus, underweight, nutritional dwarfism. Answer is kwashiorkor. 9th, as per Gomez classification, which of the following weight per age comes under third degree malnutrition when compared with the Harvard Growth Standard? Options: 75 to 90% of the standard, 60 to 74% of the standard, 90 to 110% of the standard, less than 60% of the standard. Answer is less than 60% of the standard. 10th, all are seen in marasmus except options: muscle wasting, hepatomegaly, low insulin, active. Answer is hepatomegaly. 11th, all are seen in kwashiorkor except options: increased appetite, flax sign on hair, hepatomegaly, apathy. Answer is increased appetite. 12th, best indicator for nutritional status for a child is options: mid-arm circumference, head circumference, rate of increase of height and weight, chest circumference. Answer is rate of increase of height and weight. 13. Excess vitamin A cause all among the following signs except options: increased appetite, blurred vision, bone pain or swelling, dryness in the skin. Answer is increased appetite. 14. Feeding a child with choanal atresia can cause options: choking on feeding, lack of swallowing reflex, does not appear to be hungry, take about half of the feeding. Answer is choke on feeding. डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं नॉर्मल पासेस और जो कोएनल एट्रेसिया होता है उसमें पासेस जो है नेजल पासेस जो है ब्लॉक रहता है. 15. Which of the following vitamin deficiency lead to diarrhea and renal stone formation? Options: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. Answer is vitamin D. 16. Mid upper arm circumference value in a moderately malnourished child is options: less than 11.5 cm, less than 12.5 cm, less than 13.5 cm, less than 14.5 cm. Answer is less than 12.5 centimeter. 17. Calcium absorption is aided by all of the following except options: vitamin D, vitamin C, lactose, fat. Answer is fat. 18. Identify correct statement in relation to vitamin A. Options: recommended dose of vitamin A at 9 months of age is 1 lakh international unit. Vitamin A administered via oral route. After the first dose of vitamin A, dose need to be repeated every 6 months till 5 years of age. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 19. In children, rickets is occurred because of the deficiency of options: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin D. Answer is vitamin D. 20. Anti-infective vitamin is options: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Answer is vitamin A. First, artificial acquired immunity is obtained by options: recovering from a disease, exposure to a disease, being breastfed, immunization with antibody response. Answer is immunization with antibody response. Second, what are the vaccines recommended at birth as per the Universal Immunization Program? Options: BCG, BCG and hepatitis B, BCG and DPT, DT and oral polio vaccine. Answer is BCG and hepatitis B. Third, DPT is contraindicated in options: family history of convulsion, acute respiratory tract infection, progressive neurological illness, mild diarrhea. Answer is progressive neurological illness. Fourth, an 18-month-old child was brought to the Well Baby Clinic for booster dose of DPT vaccine. Which among the following muscles is preferred by the nurse to administer vaccine? Options: dorsogluteal, ventrogluteal, dendroid, vastus lateralis. Answer is vastus lateralis. Fifth, which vaccine is stored at the freezer compartment of refrigerator? Options: OPV, MMR, BCG, measles. Answer is OPV. Sixth, the route of administration of BCG vaccine is options: intramuscular, intradermal, intrathecal, subcutaneous. Answer is intradermal. 7. What is the route of administration of MMR vaccine? Options: subcutaneous, oral, nasal, intradermal. Answer is subcutaneous. 8. Which of the following is a viral vaccine? Options: oral polio vaccine, cholera, bacilli calmette guerin, tetanus toxoid. Answer is OPV, oral polio vaccine. Cholera is an inactivated vaccine, BCG is live bacterial vaccine, tetanus is toxoid. इसमें से कॉलेरा भी जो है बैक्टीरियल वैक्सीन है, तो ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन ही जो है वायरल वैक्सीन है. 9th, which of the following vaccine is administered to the newborn within 12 hours of birth? Options: rubella, hepatitis B, rotavirus, measles. Answer is hepatitis B. According to WHO, hepatitis B जो है within 24 hours लग जाना चाहिए, लेकिन according to Central for Disease Control के 12 आवर विदिन 12 आवर अगर लगता है हेपेटाइटिस बी का वैक्सीन तो मोर इफेक्टिव होता है, इसलिए विदिन 12 आवर में हेपेटाइटिस बी का वैक्सीन लगाया जाता है. इसके अलावा जो रोटावायरस का वैक्सीन है वो 6 वीक में लगता है एंड मीजल्स एंड रूबेला जो है 9th मंथ में लगता है. 10th, which vaccine is contraindicated in child with history of convulsion? Options: DPT, measles, typhoid, BCG. Answer is DPT. 11th, what is the percentage of polio infection that is asymptomatic? Options: 1%, 20%, 30%, 90%? Answer is 90%. 12th, all are true about killed vaccine except options: prepared by growing bacteria or virus in a media followed by inactivation with heat and chemical. Do not cause infection but elicit immune response. Multiple dose is required. Between two killed vaccine, minimum 4-week gap is required. Answer is between two killed vaccine, minimum 4-week gap is required. 13. Identify incorrect pair among the following. Options: BCG, TB, intradermal, DPT, pertussis, SC, MMR, rubella, SC, OPV, polio, oral. आंसर इज DPT, pertussis, SC. DPT का वैक्सीन जो है IM लगाया जाता है. 14. Neonatal tetanus can be prevented through options: conducting delivery under hygienic condition, proper cord care practice, maternal immunization with TT in the intranatal period. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 15. All are live vaccine except options: OPV, BCG, measles, TT. Answer is TT. 16. WHO launched expanded program of immunization in the year of options: 1974, 1978, 1980, 1982. Answer is 1974. And the expanded program of immunization launched in India 1978. 17. World declared smallpox free in the year. Options: 1977, 1980, 1982, 1985. Answer is 1980. In India, last smallpox was reported in 1975. India was declared smallpox free in 1977. 18. Oral polio vaccine is also known as options: Sabin, Salk, Pentavalent, Easy. Answer is Sabin. डॉक्टर अल्बर्ट साबिन के द्वारा डिस्कवर्ड होने के कारण ओपीवी को साबिन भी कहा जाता है. वहीं आईपीवी इंजेक्टेबल पोलियो वैक्सीन को साल्क डॉक्टर जॉन साल्क ने डिस्कवर किया था, जिसके कारण उसे साल्क भी कहा जाता है. 19. Varicella vaccine provide protection against options: chickenpox, dengue, encephalitis, meningitis. Answer is chickenpox. 20. Pentavalent vaccine provide protection against options: diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, Haemophilus B, polio, TB, measles, mumps, Haemophilus B. Measles, mumps, rubella, TB, Haemophilus B. Measles, mumps, rubella, hepatitis B and Haemophilus B. Answer is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and Haemophilus B. MCQ first. Formula to calculate intelligent quotient IQ. Options: chronological age divided by mental age into 100. Mental age minus chronological age into 100. Mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Mental age plus chronological age into 100. Answer is mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Second, a mother asks her 2-year child, "Do you want to eat now?" The child responds, "No." Which of the following behavior characteristics does the child elicit? Options: egocentrism, negativism, egomania, ritualism. Answer is negativism. Third, which of the following best describe the language of a 24 months old? Options: doesn't understand yes and no, understand the meaning of word, able to verbalize needs, continuously ask why to most of the topic. Answer is understand the meaning of word. Fourth, the type of play exhibited by toddler where they play by themselves in the presence of other children is called. Options: passive play, cooperative play, solitary play, parallel play. Answer is parallel play. Fifth, typical type of play in a preschooler is options: onlooker play, parallel play, associative play, cooperative play. आंसर इज एसोसिएटिव प्ले. इन्फेंट जो है ऑन लुकर प्ले कहता है, टोडलर जो है पैरेलल प्ले कहता है, प्री स्कूलर एसोसिएटिव प्ले कहता है, स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन जो है कोऑपरेटिव प्ले कहते हैं. सिक्स्थ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल रिप्रेजेंट पैरेलल प्ले? ऑप्शंस: अजय एंड अरुण शेयर देयर टॉयज. Ajay play with his car beside Marine, who is playing with her doll. Kevin play a game of Scrabble with Subhas and Satish. Kavya play with a handheld game while sitting in her mother's lap. Answer is Ajay play with his car beside Marine, who is playing with her doll. Seventh, which among the following represent the most common type of accident found in case of toddler? Options: toxic ingestion, choking, drowning, burn. Answer is burn. Eighth, passage of feces in inappropriate place after bowel control would be expected is known as options: encopresis, enuresis, pica, dyslexia. Answer is encopresis. Enuresis means refer to a repeated inability to control urination. Pica means eating non-nutritive substance. Dyslexia, also known as reading disorder, is characterized by trouble with reading. Ninth, long-term thumb sucking may cause dash in child. Options: dental problem, worm infestation, decreased nutritional intake, all of the above. Answer is dental problem. 10th, all of the following are common problem of preschooler children except options: temper tantrum, sleep disorder, Tennessee, pica. Answer is Tennessee. 11th, in a child with mild hemophilia A, the factor VIII level is options: 5 to 50%, less than 1%, 50 to 60%, 1 to 5%. Answer is 5 to 50%. 12th, vector of dengue fever is options: Aedes, Anopheles, Culex, none. Answer is Aedes. 13. Hemoglobin level in neonate is options: 10 to 12 gram percent, 12 to 14 gram percent, 14 to 16 gram percent, 16 to 18 gram percent. Answer is 16 to 18 gram. 14. Hemophilia affects options: only male, only female, both gender, none of these. Answer is only male. 15. A hereditary hemolytic anemia is options: aplastic anemia, thalassemia, megaloblastic anemia, all of the above. Answer is thalassemia. 16. Inherited pattern of thalassemia is options: autosomal recessive pattern, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant. Answer is autosomal recessive pattern. 17. According to WHO, cut-off level of hemoglobin in child anemia is options: 10 gram, 11 gram, 12 gram, 13 gram. Answer is 11 gram. Most commonly seen anemia in children is options: hemolytic anemia, iron deficiency anemia, sickle cell anemia, beta thalassemia. Answer is Iron deficiency anemia.
19.
Most common site of bleeding in children with hemophilia is options: joints, stomach, gum, nose. Answer is joints. 20. The best screening test in hemophilia is options: bleeding time, clotting time, partial thromboplastin time, thrombin time. Answer is partial thromboplastin time. MCQ first. What is main reason for under 5 morbidity and mortality? Options: malnutrition, diarrheal disease, aphaxia, leukemia. Answer is diarrheal disease. Second, a 2 days old neonate underwent corrective surgery for tracheoesophageal fistula 2 days back. Which of the following need to be reported by the nurse? Options: diminished bowel sound, excessive crying, irritability, pulse rate 130 beat per minute, dislodgement of orogastric tube. Answer is dislodgement of orogastric tube. Third, projectile vomiting is a characteristic of which of the following condition? Options: pyloric stenosis, hernia, imperforated anus, appendicitis. Answer is pyloric stenosis. Fourth, identify the food item need to be avoided in a child with celiac disease. Options: wheat, rye, oats, all of these. Answer is all of these. Fifth, as per the recent WHO classification of dehydration in children, all of the following are type of dehydration except options: no dehydration, moderate dehydration, severe dehydration, some dehydration. Answer is moderate dehydration. डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं WHO गाइडलाइंस फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन. इसमें जो है नो डिहाइड्रेशन है, सम डिहाइड्रेशन है एंड सीवियर डिहाइड्रेशन है. मॉडरेट डिहाइड्रेशन जो है नहीं है. सिक्स्थ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिम्टम्स सजेस्ट दैट द चाइल्ड हैज सीवियर डिहाइड्रेशन? ऑप्शंस: इरिटेबिलिटी, रेस्टलेसनेस, हु ड्रिंक वाटर ईगरली, लेथार्जी और अनकॉन्शियस. आंसर इज लेथार्जी और unconscious. Seventh, a clinic nurse assessing a child for dehydration. The nurse determined that the child is moderately dehydration if which symptom is noted on assessment. Options: flat fontanelles, moist mucous membrane, pale skin color, oliguria. Answer is oliguria. Eighth, most common bacteria cause of diarrhea in children is options: E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, Shigella. Answer is E. coli. Ninth, prepared ORS solution is stable for a period of options: 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, 7 days. Answer is 24 hours. 10th, initial fluid of choice for diarrhea in an infant. Options: ORS, salt water, sugar water, dextrose. Answer is ORS. 11th, all are the essential requirement of nursing care of a child with severe diarrhea except options: administration of fluid orally or parenterally, taking weight daily, replacing lost calories, maintain normal body temperature. Answer is taking weight daily. 12th, a tracheoesophageal fistula should be suspected in a neonate immediately after birth if one of the following is present. Options: jaundice, bile sustained vomitus, absence of sucking, excessive amount of frothy saliva in the mouth. Answer is excessive amount of frothy saliva in the mouth. 13. All are the features indicative of physiological jaundice of a newborn except options: it appears before attaining 24 hours of age, it fades by 7th day of life, it peaks by 3rd day of life, it appears after attaining 24 hours of age. Answer is it appeared before attaining 24 hours of age. 14. Which of these signs indicates tracheoesophageal fistula immediately after birth? Options: passage of frothy meconium, continuous drooling, slow response to stimuli, diaphragmatic breathing. Answer is continuous drooling. 15. Which among the following activity is compromised in a newborn baby with cleft lip? Options: sucking, swallowing, respiration, facial expression. Answer is sucking. 16. The important aspect to be included in the discharge plan of a baby with cleft lip and palate is: options: adherence to antibiotic therapy, application of sterile dressing over the lip, administration of vitamin supplements, administering oxygen. Answer is adherence to antibiotic therapy. 17. Prior to feeding an infant by gastrostomy tube, the nurse should: options: aspirate the tube, slowly instill 5 ml of water, provide the baby with a pacifier, place the baby in semi-flawless position. Answer is place the baby in semi-flawless position. 18. Reyes syndrome is associated with: options: hemolytic transfusion reaction, biliary colic, sickle cell crisis, use of aspirin with viral illness. Answer is use of aspirin with viral illness. 19. Preferred position for nursing babies with GERD. Options: right lateral, football position, left lateral, head down position. Answer is left lateral position. 20. Infant with cystic fibrosis are likely to develop: options: meconium ileus, loose motion, vomiting, constipation. Answer is meconium ileus. MCQ first. A 10-year-old child with asthma is admitted to the ward. Which of the following observation need immediate assessment by the nurse? Options: breath rate 20 per minute, sitting upright and refusing to lie down, refuse to eat food, oxygen saturation 96%. Answer is sitting upright and refusing to lie down. Second, a 5-year-old child get admitted to the hospital with diagnosis of bronchopulmonary dysplasia (BPD). If child is at third stage, what would be the clinical symptom present? Options: perfuse hyaline membranes, patchy mucosal cilia loss, interstitial fibrosis and epithelial proliferation, edema of the interstitial and necrosis of alveolar cell, alveolar collapse and difficulty in oxygenation. Answer is alveolar collapse and difficulty in oxygenation. Third, what is the priority need that must include in the care of a child who is having pneumonia? Options: rest, respiratory exercise, nutrition, tricycle riding. Answer is rest. Fourth, a 6-year-old child is admitted to the hospital with pneumonia. An immediate priority in this child nursing care would include all of the following except: options: providing nutrition to the child, assess respiratory status and sign of cyanosis, give flawless position or semi-flawless position, give oxygen according to program. Answer is providing nutrition to the child. Fifth, which measures would be most appropriate for the nurse to do to ensure that a child ET tube is correctly positioned? Options: auscultate for abdominal breath sound, mark the tracheal tube at the child's lip, watch for yellow display on CO2 monitor, inspect for water vapor in the tracheal tube. Answer is watch for yellow display on CO2 monitor. Sixth, cyanosis in a child can be seen in all the places mentioned below except: options: sclera, tongue, nail buds, lips. Answer is lips. 7th. Which among the following respiratory condition is always treated as medical emergency? Options: pneumonia, asthma, epiglottitis, cystic fibrosis. Answer is epiglottitis. 8th. In newborn hearing assessment test done is: options: BARA, brain stem evoked response audiometry, tuning fork test, audiometry test, bone conduction test. Answer is BARA, brain stem evoked response audiometry. 9th. Which of the following would first alert the nurse that the child is hemorrhaging after tonsillectomy? Options: mouth breathing, frequent swallowing, request for drinks, increased pulse rate. Answer is frequent swallowing. 10th. Drug of choice in trachoma for children is: options: oral tetracycline, oral penicillin, aminoglycosides, none. Answer is oral tetracycline. 11th. Drug of choice in treating scabies among younger children is: options: gamma benzyl hexachloride, 5% permethrin cream, 0.1% benzyl peroxide, 0.1% nicotinamide. Answer is 5% permethrin cream. 12th. Correct method of holding the pinna in children is: options: upward and backwards, downward and backwards, backwards directly, downwards directly. Answer is downwards and backwards. 13. Which of the following antibiotics is contraindicated in infant and young children? Options: amoxicillin, cephalosporin, tetracycline, erythromycin. Answer is tetracycline. 14. The nurse is caring for a 6-year-old client with conjunctivitis. Before administering eye drop, the nurse should recognize that it is essential to consider: options: the eye should be cleaned with warm water, removing any exudate before instilling the eye drops. The child should be allowed to instill his own eye drops. The mother should be allowed to instill the eye drops. If the eye is clean of any redness or edema, the eye drops should be withheld. Answer is the eye should be cleaned with warm water, removing any exudate before instilling the eye drops. 15. Varicella zoster cause: options: chickenpox, pertussis, diphtheria, polio. Answer is chickenpox. 16. Otitis media in children is caused by: options: Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenza, E. coli, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Means child में जो है otitis media Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza दोनों के कारण होता है. 17. A 2-year-old child is admitted to a burn unit with partial and full thickness burn over 35% of the body. After admission, assessment and review the physician order, the priority intervention focuses on: options: sedating with morphine sulfate, restricting IV fluid, inserting nasogastric tube, inserting a Foley's catheter. Answer is inserting a Foley's catheter. 18. As per rule of 9, the baby left arm is contains how many % of total body surface area? Options: 18, 9, 36, 4.5. Answer is 9. डायग्राम में आप रूल ऑफ 9 के अकॉर्डिंग बेबी के लिए जो कैलकुलेशन है वो देख सकते हैं. 19. Child who is on cast complaining of itching. Action need to be taken by the nurse to relieve itching is: options: apply cool air under the cast with a blow dryer, apply lotion on the body, removing the cast, apply mitten to prevent the child from itching. Answer is apply cool air under the cast with a blow dryer. 20. Best method of oxygen administration to a 2-month-old baby is options: oxyhood, nasal cannula, face mask, oxygen tent. Answer is oxyhood. MCQ first. Which of the following helps in prevention of neural tube defect in fetus? Options: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, folic acid. Answer is folic acid. Second, in infant born with non-communicating hydrocephalus has just had a ventroperitoneal shunt inserted. In addition to neuromuscular assessment, what measures should the nurse used in child's care plan? Options: reinforce wet dressing every 2 hourly, position the child on operative side, place infant in semi-phallus position, measures head and abdominal circumference. Answer is measure head and abdominal circumference. Third, isolation period of a child with bacterial meningitis. Options: 12 hours after starting antibiotic, 24 hours after starting antibiotics, till antibiotic course completion, till culture negative. Answer is 24 hours after starting antibiotic. Fourth, most common type of meningitis that affect children less than 5 years is options: idiopathic meningitis, aseptic meningitis, bacterial meningitis, tuberculous meningitis. Answer is bacterial meningitis. Fifth, which of the following information obtained from the mother of a child with cerebral palsy most likely correlated to the diagnosis? Options: she was born at 42-week gestation, she had meningitis when she was 6 months old, she had physiological jaundice after delivery, she has frequent sore throat. Answer is she had meningitis when she was 6 months old. Sixth, meningismus referred to. Options: meningeal irritation sign without meningitis, meningitis without meningeal irritation sign, headache lead to meningitis, it occurs commonly in adults. Answer is meningeal irritation sign without meningitis. Seventh, most common diagnostic test performed in children who is suspected to be suffering from meningitis is options: MRI, X-ray spine, CT scan, lumbar puncture. Answer is lumbar puncture. Eighth, cerebrospinal fever is well known as options: meningococcal meningitis, pneumococcal meningitis, staphylococcus meningitis, Haemophilus influenza type B meningitis. Answer is meningococcal meningitis. Ninth, which among the following anti-seizure medication required ventilator facility to administer? Options: phenytoin, phenobarbital, lorazepam, calcium gluconate. Answer is lorazepam. 10th, commonly used shunt in hydrocephalus management. Options: ventriculoarterial, ventriculoperitoneal, ventriculopericardial, ventriculopleural. Answer is ventriculoperitoneal. 11th, bulging fontanelles indicates options: increase ICP, hydrocephalus, both A and B, dehydration. Answer is both A and B. मीन्स जो इंक्रीज आईसीपी और हाइड्रोसेफेलस दोनों ही बल्जिंग fontanelles को इंडिकेट करती हैं. 12th, एन्सेफेलाइटिस इज कॉम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ ऑप्शंस: पर्ट्यूसिस, वेरिसेला, डिप्थीरिया, रूबेला. आंसर इज वेरिसेला. 13. Following the poisoning with acetaminophen, which among the following sign the nurse need to expect? Options: fever, jaundice, right upper quadrant pain, headache. Answer is right upper quadrant pain. क्योंकि एसिटामिनोफेन का पॉइजनिंग जो है लीवर हिपैटिक डैमेज करता है, जिसके कारण राइट अपर क्वाड्रेंट में पेन होता है. 14. In poisoning, the first action expected from a parents is options: give ample of water to the child to drink. Call an ambulance immediately. Call the poison control center. Note down the sign and symptom developed by the child. Answer is call the poison control center. 15. Assume that all have achieved normal cognitive and emotional development. Which of the following children is at greater risk of accidental poisoning? Options: a 6-month-old, a 4-year-old, a 10-year-old, a 13-year-old. आंसर इज अ 4-year-old. टोडलर में जो है एक्सीडेंटल पॉइजनिंग ज्यादा होती है. 16. The most important toxic side effect of NSAID is options: constipation, hypothermia, hematuria, feed intolerance. आंसर इज हेमेचूरिया. जो NSAID है वो सभी जो है नेफ्रोटॉक्सिसिटी कहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हेमेचूरिया प्रेजेंट होता है. NSAID का फुल फॉर्म होता है नॉन स्टेरॉयडल एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स. 17. Lead poisoning most commonly affect dash body system with it irreversible side effect. Options: cardiac, CNS, gastrointestinal, genitourinary. Answer is CNS, central nervous system. लेड पॉइजनिंग जो है बाकी सारे सिस्टम को भी अफेक्ट करता है, लेकिन वो सभी जो है रिवर्सिबल होते हैं, लेकिन सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम जो है इनरिवर्सिबल साइड इफेक्ट कॉज करता है. 18. ऑक्सीजन टॉक्सिसिटी इन प्रीटर्म बेबीज कॉज. ऑप्शंस: रिट्रोलैटरल फाइब्रोप्लेसिस, रेस्पिरेटरी डिस्ट्रेस सिंड्रोम, नियोनेटल सेप्सिस, नियोनेटल हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया. आंसर इज रिट्रोलैटरल फाइब्रोप्लेसिस. 19. Clinical feature of meningitis. Options: stiff neck, Kerning sign, Brudzinski sign, all of above. Answer is all of above. 20. Most priority nursing intervention while caring for a child who is suffering from tonic-clonic seizure. Options: start oxygen by mask, make child sit and provide water, protect a child from self-harm, apply restraint. Answer is protect a child from self-harm. First, what is the normal range of pulse rate of a child of 1 to 2 years? Options: 60 to 100 beat per minute, 76 to 120 beat per minute, 120 to 160 beat per minute, 80 to 130 beat per minute. Answer is 80 to 130 beat per minute. Second, the single most important indicator of cardiorespiratory function in a neonate is criterion to classify a death as brain death. Options: good cry, good skin color, good muscle tone, good eye contact. Answer is good skin color. Third, most common heart abnormalities in child. Options: tetralogy of Fallot, arterial septal defect, total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, ventricular septal defect. Answer is ventricular septal defect. Fourth, which of these is a cyanotic heart defect? Options: ventricular septal defect, patent ductus arteriosus, tetralogy of Fallot, arterial septal defect. Answer is tetralogy of Fallot. Fifth, an infant with congestive heart failure CHF is admitted to the hospital. Which goal has the highest priority when planning nursing care? Options: the infant will maintain an adequate fluid balance, the infant will have digoxin at the bedside, skin integrity will be assessed, administer medication on time. Answer is the infant will maintain an adequate fluid balance. Which of the following is not included in tetralogy of Fallot? Options: pulmonary stenosis, RVH means right ventricular hypertrophy, ASD arterial septal defect, VSD ventricular septal defect. Answer is ASD arterial septal defect. 7th, TOF include all of the following condition except. Options: overriding aorta, pulmonic stenosis, patent ductus arteriosus, ventricular septal defect. Answer is patent ductus arteriosus. 8th, in X-ray, the heart of a child with tetralogy of Fallot appears. Options: cone-shaped, boot-shaped, pea-shaped, apple-shaped. Answer is boot-shaped. 9th, pulmonary blood flow is decreased in. Options: ventricular septal defect, arterial septal defect, tetralogy of Fallot, truncus arteriosus. Answer is tetralogy of Fallot. 10th, peripheral pulmonic stenosis may be seen in all except. Options: Williams syndrome, Alagille syndrome, Rubella syndrome, cytomegalovirus. Answer is cytomegalovirus. 11th, the complications for ventricular septal defect are all of the following except. Options: pulmonary hypertension, cerebral palsy, endocarditis, heart failure. Answer is cerebral palsy. 12th, small for gestation age and large for gestation age infants have polycythemia because of. Options: hypocalcemia, hypoglycemia, hypoxia, hypothermia. Answer is hypoxia. 13. The most common symptoms in children with symptomatic cardiac malformation is. Options: poor feeding, hypothermia, delayed physical growth, clubbing of the fingertips. Answer is delayed physical growth. 14. The parents of a 2-day-old girl baby are concerned because her feet and hands are slightly blue. How should the nurse respond? Options: your daughter has acrocyanosis. This is causing her blue hand and feet. Let's watch her carefully to make sure she does not have a circulatory problem. This is normal. Her circulatory system will take few days to adjust. This is vasomotor response caused by cooling or warming. Answer is this is normal. Her circulatory system will take few days to adjust. 15. A physician order IV potassium for a child with hypersonic dehydration. A nurse performing which of the following highest priority assessment before administering the potassium? Options: taking temperature, taking blood pressure, obtaining a weight, checking urine output. Answer is checking urine output. 16. While performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation CPR on a 5-year-old, the nurse palpates for a pulse. Which of the following site is best for checking the pulse during CPR in a 5-year-old child? Options: femoral, carotid, radial, brachial. आंसर इज कैरोटिड. इन्फेंट में सीपीआर के टाइम जो है ब्रेकियल पल्स पैल्पेट किया जाता है क्योंकि इन्फेंट का जो नेक का लेंथ होता है वो शॉर्ट होता है जिसके कारण कैरोटिड पल्स अच्छे से पैल्पेट नहीं किया जा सकता. 17. What is the ratio of chest compression to ventilation when two rescuer performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation on a child? Options: 30:1, 30:2, 15:1, 15:2. Answer is 15:2. 18. Most common acyanotic congenital heart disease. Options: pulmonic stenosis, arterial septal defect, patent ductus arteriosus, tricuspid atresia. Answer is patent ductus arteriosus. 19. Drug of choice to close patent ductus arteriosus. Options: indomethacin, corticosteroid, adrenaline, prostaglandin. Answer is indomethacin. 20. The best position for examination of cardiac murmur in a child is. Options: sitting, standing, right lateral, recumbent. Answer is standing. MCQ first. Clinical feature of hypothyroidism in a newborn are all except. Options: sluggishness, large tongue, large posterior fontanelles, mental retardation. Answer is mental retardation. Second, identify the correct statement in relation to congenital hypothyroidism. Options: oral levothyroxine sodium is used for treatment. Periodic measurement of T3, T4 and TSH is necessary. Monitoring bone age is essential. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Third, hormone responsible for the onset of progression of puberty is options: estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, GnRH means gonadotropin releasing hormone. Answer is GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Fourth, prolonged steroid use can cause all except options: buffalo's hump, moon face, thin extremities, loss of hair in the body. Answer is loss of hair in the body. क्योंकि प्रोलॉन्ग्ड स्टेरॉइड यूज करने से हेयर ग्रोथ होते हैं बॉडी के, न कि लॉस होते हैं. फिफ्थ, थैलेर्की इज ऑप्शंस: इट इज onset of secondary breast development usually occurring at the beginning of puberty in girl. First menstrual bleeding in female human. The adrenal cortex secrete increased level of androgen but without increased cortisol level. The first pregnancy occur in female. Answer is it is onset of secondary breast development usually occurring at the beginning of puberty in girls. Sixth, deficiency of growth hormone leads to options: delayed union of epiphyses, proportionate dwarfism, acromegaly, mental retardation. Answer is proportionate dwarfism means shortness of height. Seventh, ACTH secretion is highest during options: noon, evening, morning, night. Answer is morning. Eighth, which among the following hormone helps in skeletal maturation of fetus? Options: testosterone, oxytocin, thyroxine, prolactin. Answer is thyroxine. Ninth, type 1 diabetes in children is most commonly associated with options: obesity, celiac disease, Down syndrome, hypothyroidism. Answer is hypothyroidism. 10th, the nurse is planning care for a 2-year-old who has nephrotic syndrome and is in remission. What type of diet would the nurse plan to feed this child? Options: high protein, low calorie, high calorie, low protein, low sodium, low fat, regular diet, no added sugar. Answer is regular diet, no added sugar. 11th, the clinical manifestation of nephrotic syndrome including which of the following? Options: hematuria, massive proteinuria, increased serum albumin, weight loss. Answer is massive proteinuria. 12th, a 6-year-old child is admitted with nephrotic syndrome. Which is the significant nursing intervention to be done daily by a nurse? Options: checking temperature, measuring mid-arm circumference, checking capillary refilling, monitoring intake output. Answer is monitoring intake output. 13. A child is diagnosed with Wilms tumor. During assessment, the nurse expected to detect options: gross hematuria, dysuria, oliguria, abdominal mass. Answer is abdominal mass. 14. A pediatric nurse is assigned to care for a child with diagnosis of Wilms tumor. In planning care for the child, the nurse understands that this tumor is options: an abdominal tumor, a renal tumor, a brain tumor, a bone tumor. Answer is a renal tumor. 15. Following circumcision discharge teaching including options: apply diaper loosely, clean the site with alcohol and betadine, perform intermittent catheterization, perform Kegel exercise. Answer is apply diaper loosely. 16. Nursing care of a child with acute streptococcal glomerulonephritis is options: monitor intake output chart, monitor for convulsion, monitor BP, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 17. The child with acute glomerulonephritis is under treatment in a ward. The nurse should look for following as an indicator for acute renal failure. Options: polyuria, oliguria, hematuria, glycosuria. Answer is oliguria. 18. Orchidopexy is the treatment of choice for options: cryptorchidism, phimosis, ectopy bladder, anorectal malformation. Answer is cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism का मीन्स होता है undescended testes. 19. The term used for undescended testes is options: cryptorchidism, ophalosis, hypospadiasis, epispadiasis. Answer is cryptorchidism. 20. Which nursing care is to be provided preoperatively to a baby born with ectopy of bladder? Options: cover the bladder with sterile petroleum gauze, place the baby in pond position, immerse the baby in water while bathing, keep the bladder mucus dry. Answer is cover the bladder with sterile petroleum gauze. First, supplementary nursing, immunization, health checkup and referral service under integrated child development service are applicable to which of the following age groups? Options: 12 to 14 years, 3 to 6 years, 8 to 10 years, 7 to 9 years. Answer is 3 to 6 years. Second, among the following, all are the components of GOBI F3 except options: global warming, female education, immunization, food supplement. Answer is global warming. यूनिसेफ के द्वारा GOBI F3 जो है प्रोग्राम चलाई जाती है, जिसके अंतर्गत G मीन्स ग्रोथ मॉनिटरिंग, O मीन्स ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन, B मीन्स ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, I means immunization, F3 means female education, family escaping and food supplements होते हैं. Third, Mission Indradhanush program is related to options: immunization, breastfeeding, female education, nutritional supplementation. Answer is immunization. Mission Indradhanush was launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare MOHFW, Government of India on 25th December 2014. The objective of this mission to ensure that all children under 2 years as well as pregnant women are fully immunized with 7 vaccine preventable disease, that is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, TB, polio, hepatitis B and measles. मिशन इंद्रधनुष जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर के द्वारा 25 दिसंबर 2014 से स्टार्ट किया गया है, जिसके अंतर्गत 2 साल तक के सभी बच्चों को जो है इम्यूनाइजेशन किया जाता है और साथ ही साथ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन को भी इम्यूनाइजेशन किया जाता है 7 वैक्सीन प्रिवेंटेबल डिसीज से, जो है डिप्थीरिया, परटूसिस, टिटनेस, टीबी, पोलियो, हेपेटाइटिस बी और मीजल्स. Fourth, Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program was replaced by options: MCH, Maternal and Child Health, JSY, Janni Suraksha Yojana, RCH, Reproductive and Child Health, KSY, Kishore Suraksha Yojana. Answer is RCH, Reproductive and Child Health. Fifth, correct regarding IMNCI is options: it aimed to reduce under 5 morbidity and mortality. It means integrated management of neonatal and childhood illness. Pink, yellow and green are the color used in IMNCI. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Sixth, color code used in IMNCI are options green, black and red, black, ash and orange, blue, black and orange, pink, green and yellow. आंसर इज पिंक, ग्रीन एंड येलो। नीचे आप देख सकते हैं IMNCI का क्लासिफिकेशन, जिसमें पिंक कलर जो है अर्जेंट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन के लिए यूज किया जाता है, येलो कलर जो है स्पेसिफिक मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट एंड एडवाइस एस यू डू इन योर OPD एंड क्लिनिक के लिए यूज किया जाता है, ग्रीन कलर जो है नो रिक्वायर्ड ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यूज किया जाता है। सेवंथ, मिड डे मील प्रोग्राम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ऑप्शंस न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट प्रोग्राम, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान। आंसर इज न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट प्रोग्राम। एट्थ, व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया लॉन्च्ड रिप्रोडक्टिव एंड चाइल्ड हेल्थ प्रोग्राम RCH, ऑप्शंस 1952, 1951, 1997, 1995। आंसर इज 1997। Ninth, in which year Education for All Handicapped Children Act was passed? Options 1967, 1975, 1978, 1947। Answer is 1975। Tenth, in which year the Government of India adopted a national policy for children? Options 1975, 1974, 1995, 1994। Answer is 1974। 11th, which of the following is the primary components of Janani Sishu Suraksha Yojana? Options early registration, institutional birth, post delivery care, all of the above। Answer is all of the above। 12th, the total number of doses of vitamin A in children under 3 years of age is options 3, 4, 6, 5। आंसर इज 5। विटामिन ए का फर्स्ट डोज जो है वो 9 मंथ में 1 लाख इंटरनेशनल यूनिट का दिया जाता है। उसके बाद 4 डोज जो है 2 लाख इंटरनेशनल यूनिट का लगातार 18 महीने, 24 महीने, 30 महीने और 36 महीने में दिया जाता है। 13. Full form of ICDS scheme is options Integrated Child Development Scheme, Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, International Child Development Seva, International Child Development Service। Answer is Integrated Child Development Service Scheme। 14. Beneficiaries of ICDS scheme are all except options children 0 to 6 years, adolescents 11 to 18 years, pregnant women, elderly age more than 65 years। आंसर इज elderly age more than 65 years। बाकी सभी जो है बेनिफिशियरीज हैं ICDS स्कीम के। 15. नेशनल डायरियल डिसीज कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम वाज स्टार्टेड एट ऑप्शंस 5th 5-year plan, 2nd 5-year plan, 6th 5-year plan, 7th 5-year plan। Answer is 6th 5-year plan। 16. The Child Labor Act was initiated in the year options 1986, 1988, 1985, 1984। Answer is 1986। 17. When CARE begins its operation in India? Options in 1950, in 1970, in 1980, in 1940। आंसर इज इन 1950। केयर का फुल फॉर्म जो है कोऑपरेटिव असिस्टेंस एंड रिलीफ एवरीवेयर होता है। 18. पल्स पोलियो इम्यूनाइजेशन PPI प्रोग्राम इन इंडिया लॉन्च्ड इन ऑप्शंस 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998। आंसर इज 1995। 19. The extra calories needed by mother during breastfeeding is options 500 calories, 600 calories, 300 calories, 100 calories. Answer is 500 calories. 20. CCSM Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program is jointly founded by options World Bank and WHO, World Bank and FAO, World Bank and UNICEF, World Bank and ICDS. Answer is World Bank and UNICEF. First, what is the most common form of childhood cancer? Options lymphoma, leukemia, brain tumor, osteosarcoma. Answer is leukemia. Second, a malignant tumor of childhood which metastasis to bone most often is options Wilms tumor, neuroblastoma, adrenal gland tumor, granulose cell tumor of ovary. Answer is Wilms tumor. Third, which is the most common intra-abdominal tumor in children? Options Wilms tumor, rhabdomyosarcoma, hepatocellular carcinoma, osteosarcoma. Answer is Wilms tumor. Fourth, what is the most common malignancy of childhood? Options medulloblastoma, Wilms tumor, leukemia, neuroblastoma. Answer is leukemia. Fifth, identify an early symptom of spinal cord tumor from the options. Options pain worsen with activity, standing and lying down. Position change leading to complete anesthesia. Impaired sensation of temperature, touch, pain. Clamminess, weakness, spasticity. Answer is pain worsen with activity, standing and lying down. Sixth, all of the following are true about phenylketonuria except options deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase, mental retardation, increased urinary excretion of 4-hydroxyl pyruvaric acid, decreased serotonin formation. Answer is increased urinary excretion of 4-hydroxyl pyruvaric acid. 17. All are true about Down syndrome except options mental retardation, Bruce-Field sports, microcephaly, hypothyroidism. Answer is microcephaly. 8. In which year the Human Genome Project was completed? Options 2001, 2003, 2005, 2008. Answer is 2003. 9. In which year the first human gene therapy was instituted? Options 1985, 1988, 1990, 1993. Answer is 1990. 10th. The hereditary determinant of human are received from options allele, gene, nucleus, cytoplasm. Answer is genes. 11th. The science of betterment of human race by application of the law of inheritance is called options genetic, eugenic, euphenic, euthanic. Answer is eugenic. 12th. Identify the condition in which heterozygote carrier detection screening can be done. Options cystic fibrosis, Tay-Sachs disease, sickle cell disease, all of the above. Answer is all the above. 13. Mapping of gene is possible only if there is a cross between options dominant heterozygous allele and dominant heterozygous allele, dominant heterozygous and dominant homozygous allele, dominant homozygous and dominant homozygous allele, dominant heterozygous and recessive homozygous allele. Answer is dominant heterozygous and recessive homozygous allele. 14. chromosome pattern in Down syndrome is options trisomy 18, trisomy 21, trisomy 22, trisomy 23. Answer is trisomy 21. 15. Number of chromosome in Turner syndrome is options 45, 46, 47, 48. Answer is 45. 16. Most common cardiac lesion in Down syndrome is options VSD, coarctation of aorta, atrioventricular septal defect, transposition of great vessels. Answer is atrioventricular septal defect. 17. All are true about Down syndrome except options mental retardation, Bruce-Field sports, microcephaly, hypothyroidism. Answer is microcephaly. Which of the following would the nurse identify as an appropriate goal for caring a child with Down syndrome? Options encouraging self-care skill in the child, adhere the medication regimen, counseling of the family members, participate them in sport activity. Answer is encouraging self-care skill in the child. 19. Darkening of urine on standing is associated with options alkaptouria, cystinuria, fibrous disease, rhizomenemia. Answer is cystinuria. 20. Inborn error of metabolism are the following except options cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria, Tay-Sachs disease, Turner syndrome. Answer is Turner syndrome. First, bone dysplasia is because of options faulty nutrition, faulty development, calcium deficiency, fall injury. Answer is faulty development. Second, intraosseous drug administration is typically used when a child is options acutely ill under age 3, acutely ill over age 3, critically ill and under age 3, critically ill and over age 3. Answer is critically ill and under age 3. Third, the nurse is assessing a child's skeletal traction and notice that the weight are on the floor. Which of the following would the nurse do next? Options raise the weight so that children can move up in bed. Notify physician immediately. Put the foot on the bed on blocks. Move the child up in bed. Answer is move the child up in bed. Fourth, Ottoline test is diagnostic in options congenital hip dislocation, induction of labor, respiratory distress, congenital anomalies. Answer is congenital hip dislocation. Fifth, breakbone fever is commonly known as options malaria, dengue, kala azar, Q fever. Answer is dengue. Sixth, bone age is advanced in options congenital adrenal hyperplasia, hypothyroidism, hypopituitarism, constitutional delay in growth. Answer is constitutional delay in growth. Seventh, deficiency of vitamin D in children may cause options osteomalacia, rickets, pellagra, beriberi. Answer is rickets. Eighth, which of the following traction is used for short-term immobilization or to correct bone deformities or contractures? Options Buck's extension traction, Bryant's traction, Thomas splint traction, 90-90 traction. Answer is Buck's extension traction. Ninth, a primary role of pediatric nurse is to provide nursing care as options a collaborator, care coordinator and consultant, an advocate, educator and manager, an independent and autonomous practitioner, clinical specialist and case manager. Answer is an advocate, educator and manager. 10th. Which of the following structure is located just inferior to thalamus? Options: cerebellum, medulla, epithalamus, hypothalamus. Answer is hypothalamus. 11th. Infant found to be positive for HBsAg. The mother was also HBsAg carrier. The mother hepatitis B serological profile is likely to be. Options: HBsAg positive only, HBsAg and HBeAg positive, HBsAg negative and anti-HBeAg positive, HBcAg positive. Answer is HBsAg and HBeAg positive. 12th. Which of the following is the preferred site of intramuscular injection in infant? Options: tricep muscle, vastus lateralis muscle, deltoid muscle, gluteal muscle. Answer is vastus lateralis muscle. 13. Most abundant immunoglobulin of human body is. Options: IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD. Answer is IgG. 14. Only class of immunoglobulin which is transported across the placenta is. Options: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD. Answer is IgG. 15. What's the smallest amount of glucose that's considered safe and not caustic to small veins, while also providing adequate TPN, total parenteral nutrition? Options: 5% glucose, 10% glucose, 25% glucose, 50% glucose. Answer is 10% glucose. 16. AIDS in children is characterized by. Options: Cryptococcus causing diarrhea, rash on extremities, Kaposi sarcoma, recurrent candidiasis seen. Answer is recurrent candidiasis seen. 17. All are true regarding restaurant except. Options: restaurant should be used only when it is required. It should not be used in SOS basis. It should be very tight so that complete immobilization can be achieved. Sufficient padding must be used for extremities restaurant. Answer is it should be very tight so that complete immobilization can be achieved. 18. Which among the following statement indicates that adolescent is having anorexia nervosa? Options: I have my menstruation every month. I used to go out and eat with my friends. I used to exercise 3 times in a day for total of 5 hours. I always try to maintain my weight around 55 to 60 kg. Answer is I used to exercise 3 times in a day for total of 5 hours. 19. What is the main cause of perinatal mortality? Options: LBW means low birth weight, congenital anomalies, birth asphyxia, respiratory infection. Answer is birth asphyxia. 20. A 3-year-old child was brought to emergency room with hypovolemic shock. The initial fluid bolus should be administered at. Options: 10 ml per kg body weight, 20 ml per kg body weight, 30 ml per kg body weight, 40 ml per kg body weight. Answer is 20 ml per kg body weight. CQ first. Instrument saw in photograph is used in public health for. Options: birth weight, birth length, mid-arm circumference, abdominal circumference. Answer is birth length. Second, monitor saw in photograph is a marker of. Options: efficiency of vaccine, expiry of vaccine, cold chain maintenance, number of doses in vaccine vial. Answer is cold chain maintenance. Third, urine sample collection method saw in photograph preferred in options infant, adolescents, adult, older person. Answer is infant. Fourth, suture saw in photograph close by the age of options 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, 6 years. Answer is 6 years. Fifth, which of the following vaccine is given by route saw in photograph? Options DPT, hepatitis B, MMR, BCG. Answer is BCG. Sixth, vaccine administered by following route is options Typhoral live, H1N1 killed, H1N1 live, yellow fever live. Answer is H1N1 live. Seventh, identify the reflex saw in the photograph. Options tonic neck reflex, Morose reflex, parachute reflex, rooting reflex. Answer is Morose reflex. Eighth, good attachment saw in photograph including all except options wide open mouth, most nipple and areola in mouth, chin touch breast, lower lip inverted. Answer is chin touch breast. Ninth, identify the therapy. Options phototherapy, radiant warmer, heater, IR therapy. Answer is phototherapy. 10th, cut section of structure saw in photograph contains options 1 artery, 2 veins, 2 arteries, 2 veins, 2 arteries, 1 vein, 1 artery, 1 vein. Answer is 2 arteries, 1 vein. 11th, milestone saw in photograph appear at the age of options 3 months, 5 months, 7 months, 10 months. Answer is 10 months. 12. Milestone saw in photograph appear at the age of options 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months. Answer is 6 months. 13. What of the following can be monitored using this tape? Options nutritional status, ascites, skull growth, height. Answer is nutritional status. 14. What is the target year for the mission depicted in the symbol? Options 2017, 2020, 2025, 2030. Answer is 2020. 15. Identify the scheme, program, plan launched by WHO and UNICEF. Options जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम, कंगारू मदर केयर, BFHI, RCH program. Answer is BFHI. 16. The condition depicted in figure is options kwashiorkor, marasmus, nephrotic syndrome, epidemic dropsy. Answer is kwashiorkor. 17. Identify the scheme, program, plan launched by Government of India. Options Mission Indradhanush, Kangaroo Mother Care, BFHI, India Newborn Action Plan. Answer is India Newborn Action Plan. 18. Identify the condition. Options nephrotic syndrome, kwashiorkor, marasmus, nutritional disorder. Answer is marasmus. 19. Which among the following depicts the correct fitting of face mask during neonatal resuscitation? Answer is A. दिए गए ऑप्शन में आप देख सकते हैं ए में जो है करेक्ट फिटिंग है, बी में नीचे से लूज है, सी में नोज कवर नहीं है और डी में जो है आई एरिया को भी कवर कर रहा है और नीचे से लूज भी है, इस कारण ए जो है करेक्ट आंसर होगा. 20. In the picture, which area is being auscultated? Options tricuspid area, pulmonic area, aortic area, mitral area. आंसर इज अयोटिक एरिया। नीचे दिए हुए डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं कि हम कौन कौन सी जगह पे कौन कौन सा एरिया अस्कल्टेट कहते हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स मैं यूट्यूब पे नहीं हूं तो मुझे सब्सक्राइबर्स की बहुत जरूरत है। वीडियो आपको अगर थोड़ा भी अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।